नमस्ते बिटिया, सदा खुश रहो। Myself Dr. Hemant Vyas, Associate Professor and Head of Department of Surgery, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. And in today's session, we are going to discuss about hernia. We will study in detail about definition, classification of hernia, and we will also understand the concept of hernia, as in what constitutes the layers of hernia and other details. Let's begin. So we'll start with definition. Protrusion of a part or a wall of viscous through an abnormal opening in the wall of the cavity that contains it is called as hernia. Now, these are some common hernias and list of common hernia and rare hernias. So common hernias include inguinal hernia, umbilical, femoral, epigastric and incisional hernia, whereas rare hernias include spigelian, lumbar, gluteal, sciatic and obturator hernia. Factors that causes weakness of abdominal musculature, because uh, anything that causes weakness of muscle of abdomen or increase in pressure of abdomen, that can result into formation of hernia. So some congenital factors like persistence of processus vaginalis, patent canal of tuck, incomplete obstruction of obliteration of umbilicus. Then acquired causes include fat, pregnancy, incision, infection, and connective tissue disorders, which are caused by smoking, aging, chronic CTDs, and systemic illnesses. Increased abdominal pressure, chronic constipation, chronic cough, bladder outlet obstruction, stricture of prostate, straining, like weightlifting, then intra-abdominal malignancies, vomiting, and repeated pregnancy can result into weakness of abdominal muscle. Now, what constitute a hernia? Uh, Basically, there is a protrusion of abdominal content from the peritoneum, so there must be a sac. Then coverings and contents of hernia. The contents may be omentocele, enterocele, cystocele, or ovaries. Then there are some types of hernias like Richter's hernia, Litter's hernia, and Medell's hernia. So classification include reducible hernia, irreducible hernia, obstructed or incarcerated hernia, and strangulated hernia. Reducible hernia is the characteristic signs are the reducibility and cuff impulse. तो जब भी हम पेशेंट लाइन डाउन पोजीशन में है और हम उसको अगर हम हैंड जो है हमारा वो हर्निया के बल्ज के ऊपर रखें और पेशेंट को कफ करने के लिए कहें, तो उस केस में हमको वहाँ पे इम्पल्स मिलेगा, जो कि अदर ट्यूमर्स के अंदर नहीं मिलेगा. दिस इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ हर्नियाज. इसको हम कफ इम्पल्स कहते हैं. देन इरिड्यूसिबल हर्निया ड्यू टू एडहेजंस, नैरोइंग ऑफ नेक, इनकार्सिरेशन, मैसिव हर्निया इनसाइड स्क्रोटम. देन ऑब्स्ट्रक्टेड हर्निया, इसमें इरिड्यूसिबिलिटी और इंटेस्टाइनल ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन, ये दोनों ही चीज़ें मिलेगी. फीचर्स इंक्लूड नो कफ इम्पल्स एंड इरिड्यूसिबिलिटी, पेनलेस, नॉन टेंडर, एंड फीचर्स ऑफ इंटेस्टाइनल ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन. Then strangulated hernia include blood supply of its contents impaired, intestinal obstruction may or may not be present, pathology, intestinal obstruction, dilatation of hernial content, impairment of venous return, and stasis because of arterial impairment is seen. Appearance इसका कैसे दिखेगा? Congested and bright red intestines, ecchymosis will be there, extravasation of blood into lumen and sac, loss of tone, and translocation of gut bacteria, peritonitis, sepsis, and gangrene can be seen. Symptoms include pain, vomiting, seizures with onset of gangrene and ileus. Signs: ill looking, tense, tender, irreducible, no cough impulse, acute intestinal obstruction, and peritonitis. Strangulated omentocele, no feature of intestinal obstruction, gangrene onset is delayed. Strangulated Richter hernia include features mimic gastroenteritis, obstruction is more than 50% of circumstances, colic, diarrhea will be there, and constipation is seen in cases of ileus. Then Medell's hernia, there is retrograde strangulation on opening sac, contents appear normal, and generalized peritonitis may set in early. Inflamed hernia include outside abrasion, ill-fitting troughs are the causes of it, and inside diverticulitis and appendicitis. Signs of inflammation will be present, and it is not associated with intestinal obstruction. So that's it from the today's presentation. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thank you very much.